In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and manage expenses in Zoho Books. This full 2025 guide is geared towards helping you efficiently keep track of your expenses using Zoho, a versatile accounting software. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Zoho Books application. Once you're on the dashboard, the first stop is to navigate to the Purchases section. This is where you'll handle everything related to your expenses, purchases, and costs associated with your business operations. Next, click on Expenses. This will take you to the main expense management area. Here, you can view all previously recorded expenses and start adding new ones. To begin recording a new expense, click on the Record Expense button. This will open up a detailed form where you can enter all the relevant details about the expense you wish to record. Now, let's go through the expense form step by step. Start by selecting the date of the expense. It's crucial to use the date the expense was actually incurred for accurate financial tracking. After selecting the date, you need to choose the expense account. This is the category or account in your books that the expense will be debited from. Ensure it's the correct type of expense account for precise bookkeeping. Once you've selected the account, move on to entering the amount. This should be the exact amount of money paid for the expense, without taxes unless specified otherwise. It's important to double check this figure to avoid discrepancies later on. After entering the amount, you'll need to specify how the expense was paid through. This refers to the payment method used, such as cash, credit card, or a bank account transfer. Choose the method that matches your transaction to maintain traceability. Following that, add the vendor details. This information is critical if you're working with specific suppliers or collaborators, as it helps in managing future communications and negotiations. If you have a reference or any other identifiers related to the expense, this is the place to note it down. This could be an invoice number, receipt number, or any unique code that helps in verifying the transaction. Additionally, there's an option to add notes. This is useful for documenting any particular details or context regarding this expense that you might need to remember in the future. If the expense is related to a specific project or customer, fill in the customer name to accurately allocate costs and track profits for individual clients or projects. Once all fields are accurately filled out, it's time to save your entry. Simply click on Save or use the shortcut key Alt+S. This action will officially record the expense in your books and bring you back to the main expenses screen where you can see all your entries listed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be managing your expenses in Zoho Books like a pro, ensuring you maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.